Hello and welcome back to the channel. So, do you want to use Google Gemini AI in your projects like chatbot, apps, or automation tool, but don't know how to get the API key? Well, in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to generate your Gemini API key in just a few minutes. But before starting, let's quickly understand that why this is important. Well, the API key allow your app to communicate with the Gemini AI. It is required for using the Gemini in coding projects, and without it, you cannot access the Google AI model programmatically. So, basically, it's your entry pass to the Gemini AI, right? So, let's start. So, first of all, you need to come to your browser and search for AI Studio like this. Press enter. Now, you will find this link on the top, this site, right? Simply just click on it and make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Okay. Now, this is your Google AI Studio. You can have a look. This is a very beautiful website. Fine. So, here on the top, you can see Google AI Studio is written. Simply just click on it. After clicking on it, you will land to the AI Studio and here you can see the API keys. Now I want to create my own. So for that purpose, you can see on the top, right in the right side, here's a button called Create API Key. Simply just click on it. So when you will click on it, it will say create a new key. Now name your key, that is Gemini API key, or you want to name it any other, let's say chatbot, right? I want to name it just right, and after that just click on this create key. So now here our API key is successfully created. You can see this is my API key. So need not to use this particular API key because after this video I'll delete it. But this is how it looks. Simply just copy your key from here, right? Or you can copy it from here also, and after that cut it. Fine. Now you can see that here is your API key, right, which we generated on 27th of April 2026. Fine, it is a free tier, is provided to you. And if you want to check the spends when you will buy the paid API key with the more features, right, there are multiple things like there, like project usage, rate limit, spend, billing, everything, right? So you can do that part also. So by this, if you want to check your API key again, simply just come here and you will find this. Just click on it. Here our API key name was chatbot, right? So just click on this chatbot and here you can find the API key. Just again, if you want to copy, you can copy it from here, right? So this was a very easy process. Now you can simply paste it anywhere you want, right? In your project, in your env file, or any app that is you are using and you want to put the API key there, right? For example, cursor. So you can use it there. Fine. So this is all about today's video. I hope you get the process very clearly. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.